Yeah, hi everyone. So today I receive a mail like from beginners, BW beginners or professionals. Like they have issue while loading the data from source to target. Okay, the issue is basically they are trying to load the data from data source to target. Okay, in the DTP error, so they are facing this error like name having this, okay, ct, okay, these are the error they are facing. So we will check live, okay, with you. Okay, so these are the details they have sent. Okay, so we will check in the live server, so how basically we can fix this one, right? So let's come into the server basically. So this is, we have a BW HANA server access, and this is, we have a basically the data flow which user having the issues. So this is the master data basically. So this is a master data attribute. Okay, they are loading the data from master data to source flat file source system. Okay, so this is the data source. Okay, so this is the DTP. So if you double click on the DTP and check the last load, so the last load the error. Okay, there is a no insert, zero record inserted here, so read request. So I'll show you how, what is the issue and how we can rectify, how to fix the live. Okay, so you can see here there is a, if you click here you will see. Okay, so I'll show you the error basically, what is exactly error. Yes, you can see the name having the version, okay, and cells like address. Okay, so these are the invalid, saying the this name is invalid, okay, not valid. So these are the error basically. So what was the issue basically, why it is giving error? Because, okay, you can see all are in the lower letter. So BW always accept, okay, always accept in capital letter. Okay, it is not acceptable like a small letter. So there is two options, okay, for the solutions. So I will talk the first and then next. Okay, so what is the first option for this solution? Okay, first of all, you have to go to the manage of the master data attribute. This is a manage. Okay, and you have to delete like the necessary unnecessary record. Okay, I mean the read request. So I'm going to delete. Yes, now once deleted, then you have to go to the data source manage, go to here, right? Okay, now it would be editable. Okay, once edit, then I mean delete the request from the